Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. Alright, so first of all we have to enter the camera app, and it does not really matter whether we will be on the video or the photo mode because the reset option is in general settings. What is more, I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before I started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear. Alright, so right now we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.